For inviting us in. It's now 6 o'clock and we begin tonight with the Delphi murders case. The focus right now is on the rulings made by the special judge from Allen County. Our Rich Nye tells us why the Indiana Supreme Court will now weigh in on the many court records Judge Francis Gull has sealed and how the High Court might consider putting Richard Allen's original attorneys back on the case.
Attorneys independent of the Delphi criminal case filed a petition with the Indiana Supreme Court against Special Judge Francis Gull from Allen County for a writ of mandamus and prohibition. That's a legal term that asks for the High Court to order a lower court to follow the rules or correct mistakes. The petition argues court records sealed in this case should be made public. The state's highest court has set a November 9th deadline for interested parties to weigh in. On Tuesday, Judge Gull refused to let Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rosie continue as Richard Allen's attorneys. She said they engaged in gross negligence. They said that's the court's opinion. I spoke with longtime defense attorney Ben Jaffe.
There hasn't been a clear showing that there is some gross negligence, and even if there was, does it warrant the removal, or does that give the court an actual authority to remove them? Those are still unanswered questions.
Jaffe believes the writ of mandamus could actually open the door for the state Supreme Court to reinstate Baldwin and Rosie. He says the discussion in chambers with Judge Gull before the October 19th hearing, where they verbally agreed to resign, could be critical evidence.
This recording from the in-chambers discussion that led to all of this kind of blowing up, that will be of particular interest to a higher court, I'm thinking. But we'll get some discussion at least, or some direction on what limitations Judge Gull has in her rulings, whether she's overstepped those bounds. And I believe the Supreme Court has quite a bit of leeway to do what they want to do.
Judge Gull already appointed 2 new public defenders from Allen County. In Indianapolis, Rich Nye, 13 News.
We have been following this case since Abby Williams and Libby German were killed nearly 7 years ago. You can follow all the developments from the Delphi murder case to the arrest of Richard Allen 1 year ago to the recent legal battles. All of it for you on WTHR.com/Delphi.